It's Project Playboy. For all the kids in the back that aren't paying attention, here's a quick recap of what you guys missed.
Watch out for the spiders.
Shotgun shell.
Hey, come check this out.
Check these out. Project Playboy. As low as you can get it.
Check this out. All handmade out of aluminum.
Our frame is bent. Bam. Do one last burnout. Hot wheels look amazing.
We have a problem.
You guys seen anything like this before? Big ass. Losing pressure.
Alright, roll pan is on. Took the back window out. Had some rust back there, so we'll do some rust repair. Bottom side of it is already painted. Now we just got to get this top side painted up. Looking smooth. Look at that paint. Looking freaking good. Yeah. Oh yeah, new taillights. Man, just new taillights. Just what new taillights do is... I mean, I probably could have just changed the taillights and made it look dramatically different.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna be replacing these. Got new ones coming. So no sweat on those. Hey, do you think these side view mirrors should be black or blue? If the windows are tinted, maybe black, huh? All right, well, we're waiting for Playboy. Check out Shane's sweet candy gold dually on 24s. It's bagged. The thing is hammered too. Smashed. This thing's a cruiser, man. Got a roll pan in the back, super clean. You guys like this candy color? Let me know. That thing's cool. All right, truck is back at the shop. Paint is complete. Roll pans on. We're looking good. So, next up, interior. And who do you think we went to for interior? One of the best in our opinion. TMI. You guys check these things out. But we're gonna hold it from you for a few more minutes while we check this bad boy out. I love this hood. Super unique. I haven't done one of those before. Very, very cool hood. LMC truck parts. Project Playboy looking good. We're gonna be doing all this good stuff. We got some subwoofers we're gonna throw in there. All the goods, so you guys are gonna have to check out the seats when we install it, but just for a little peek, we'll get...
All right, so here we go. This is the interior of Playboy. Currently, how we picked it up. As you can see, all these panels are original factory. This brown and tan color, this was all the original color. We have some pieces that are cracked and broken, so we've ordered a new panel for here from LMC Truck. We're going to replace the gauges with those Dakota digital gauges. The audio is fully getting replaced. We're going to get new carpet in there from Classic Industries. Underneath the carpet is going to be all that DEI padding and the boom mat that's going to go in, as well as underneath this headliner. The boom mat and the padding will go under the headliner, and then we'll replace all this headliner material with some new headliner material. And then of course the seats. This seat's going to be replaced. These seats are out of like a 95 to a 98. This is the bench seat from a 95 to 98. Somebody just bolted it right in, and as you could tell, these seats are kind of V'd in a little bit, so the bracket's not correct for them, and they've ended up kind of warping in the center a little bit. But we're going to take these things out. We'll show you how the TMI brackets bolt right in, seats bolt right in. We're going to take the steering wheel off and replace it with one from Eddie Motorsports. Door panels from Coverlay through Classic Industries, and a couple other little parts and pieces. So what better to do than get to it? All right, so we're going to get these bolts out from this bench seat from the 95 to 98, and we're going to yank this thing out of here. All right, we already got the back side, so we got two out of this side. Come off next. Alright, didn't break anything.
Oh, good lord, look at the rust.
There might be some rust in here. Yeah.
Might be? Holy shit!
Alright. Okay.
There might be some rust.
There might be some rust. Just a little bit. Jesus. I want you to replace these feet. A little gross. A little gross. Just this thing out of here. That's it over there. It's gonna be gross.
No, you're good.
We can't replace. Oh, I gotta buy a new headliner on this one. This thing is just a bunch of layers.
Yeah, it's not bad. 7.3 liter is exactly 444 cubic inch.
Really?
Mm-hmm. But a 454 is considered a 7.4 liter.
Alright, so LMC luckily makes this panel up here because as you can see, ours is smashed in half. So we're going to take the other side off. We're going to wait for the new LMC part to come in. We're going to have to dye it to be the right color. And then we're going to replace these gauges. Luckily, their panel replaces this entire panel. So all we got to do is pull ours out. And then we're going to install theirs. Hey, got some keys in there. Oh, it does good. Alright, so radio we're going to jump on next. This is just popped. Yep. So I'll just popped in there. So we will unpop it, pull the plugs, We're moving on. We're gonna rewire that completely because that is nasty. Alright, time to get this carpet out. Grab a friend. So as you can clearly see, the floor has quite a bit of rust on it. We've already gone through and vacuumed it, scraped it. So now we have a nice rusty surface to prepare and coat. All this is from KBS Coating, same stuff we used on the frame rails. First we're gonna do the all-purpose cleaner and degreaser. We're gonna spray it on, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, wash it off. Next we're gonna go with the KBS Rust Blaster. Remove all the rust, it's gonna etch into it. It's gonna leave a zinc phosphorate coating on it. Next, we're gonna do the cavity coater. This is gonna fill all the holes. It's gonna make it nice and solid so no new water gets into there. So that'll be the cavity coater. And then finally, this is a long system. We're gonna do the undercoating. This is gonna paint everything black. It'll be nice and clean. It'll be the fourth coat, and then we'll start obviously putting on the DEI padding and stuff like that. But unfortunately, we gotta go through this process because the floor is so rusty, but thanks to KBS Coating, they make a product for it, and we're on. All right, KBS Rust Blast. Let's do it. Alright, so this floor, a little worse than we thought. We went ahead and Duraglassed the edges, so all that's solid. We etched out the whole floor to where it's nice and chemically safe and secure from any more further rust. So instead of just spraying the undercoat on, we're just going to go ahead and use the KBS Rust Seal. This is a paint over rust. It'll protect it all, it'll seal it all, it'll make sure it doesn't continue to rust, and it'll look great when we're done. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Brush on KBS Rust Seal, just like we did with the frame rails. It's all done, first coat. Tomorrow we're gonna sand this back part, coat the back side. Looks tremendously better though.